Today we got the Nike Dunk Low Premium Valentine's Day. Let's check it out.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Jumping into the box, I'm kind of disappointed that Nike didn't give us a special Valentine's Day box, but instead they gave us a regular red Nike box. So jumping into the materials and design of the sneaker, we have your typical Nike Dunk Low, which is the same silhouette that Nike's been pumping out for years now. Nothing too special here. I guess the premium comes from the leather quality, which in my opinion is only slightly better than the normal Dunks. Nothing crazy, nothing groundbreaking. Other than that, it's really just another colorway that Nike's put out. Consider the Valentine's Day colorway with your hit of burgundy, white, and pink. I mean, honestly, there's nothing too crazy about the sneaker, nothing that screams Valentine's Day besides the color. I wish Nike put a little more thought into it and maybe make this sneaker a little more special for a Valentine's Day seasonal sneaker. Throwing these on feet, I went true to size, which is size 7.5 men's for me. However, I think I should have went half size down because Dunks typically run a little bit bigger. So if you want a snug fit, I definitely recommend going down half a size. In terms of comfort, I mean, these are just your standard Nike Dunks, so they're not going to be super comfortable, but you could wear them day to day and break them in, and they may feel a little more comfortable than right out of the box. So with Valentine's Day approaching, I wanted to keep it cool, keep it chill. None of that dress up fancy date night kind of stuff. More of the cozy, stay in kind of vibe. So today we have on some black joggers from Lululemon, as well as a white hoodie from Urban Outfitters, and a burgundy button up that's a little oversized. So I included a little more color and a little more matching than I typically do in fits, but I think it worked really well here. Because the sneaker is more white than it is burgundy, I think having a burgundy button down over top kind of pairs well with the hits of burgundy on the sneakers and not overdoing it with, too much red, too much burgundy. So I think it's the right balance and definitely a very cozy fit. What's up guys, thanks for checking out my latest flash review of the Nike Dunk Valentine's Day. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe as well to see more content. Make sure I'll post the description of the fits and the music in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I'll also include links to my social media, so Instagram and Twitter. Let me know what you guys think of the Dunks. Are you going to cop them on Valentine's Day? Are you going to rock them? And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.